Hello, 你好. This is Miss Carrie. I'm a Chinese teacher. I'm coming on behalf of the T.E.A Center. And today we are going to learn about family. Family, 家人. So please follow me so that we can learn about Chinese family today. Now I'm going to use the family of Peppa Pig to learn our Chinese members. So you get to see the music of Peppa Pig. But we are going to keep going. So Chinese family in Chinese is 家人, 家人, okay? So we are going to learn about Peppa Pig's family and also say that in Chinese. I hope you are excited about this. Okay, first you see Peppa introducing herself. Hello, my name is Peppa. 我叫 Peppa. So I am is 我叫. 我叫 in Chinese. I'm called Peppa. Okay, now we're gonna see who we're gonna introduce first. Now Peppa said that this is my daddy. Daddy in Chinese is 爸爸. 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 Okay. Now, Peppa also introduced her mommy. That is my mommy. Mommy in Chinese is mama. Mama. It's very easy. Just say two words, the same tone and same words. Mama, mama. So that is Peppa's mama right here. Now next, Peppa is gonna introduce her brother. So this is my brother. Brother in Chinese is 弟弟. 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 Of course, this will refer to a younger brother. Okay, not older brother, younger brother. So that is my brother, and everybody knows her brother's name is George, right? So 弟弟, 弟弟 is younger brother. And George is going to say that is my sister. Peppa is my sister. So here, sister refer older sister. So in Chinese, we say 姐姐, 姐姐. So George say, that is my sister. 姐姐, sister, older sister. 姐姐. All right, now it's time for us to go and sing the Chinese song about family. Let me now refer to our song page here. Okay, you're gonna look at Miss Carrie's screen again and follow along and to learn about what we just went through. All right, I hope you're ready and you can sing along. It's not difficult. So here you will hear 我爱家人. That means 我 is I is love. So I love is 我爱. Okay, 我爱. 家人 is family members. So 家人 is your family members. Ready? Go. And you're gonna review all these family members.
爱你爱你，我爱你，爸爸，我爱你，妈妈，我爱你，哥哥，我爱你，姐姐，我爱你，弟弟，我爱你，妹妹，我爱你，爱爱爱爱我家人，爱爱爱爱我家人。
And here you also hear two more people that we did not introduce today is 哥哥. 哥哥 means older brother. And then you hear 妹妹. 妹妹 means younger sister. Okay, so these are the two things. If you have brother, older brother, you can learn from this song. It's 哥哥. Then you have younger sisters, you can learn, they call it 妹妹. Okay? Gonna sing along one more time.
爱你爱你，我爱你，爸爸，我爱你，
So I mentioned it means love. So this song is about I love my family. 我爱我家人. 我 refer to me. All right, now we are going to go back to our slide. Okay, Miss Carrie is putting out the slide and we are going to do some review for our family members. Now you can take a look at my slide and I'll make it bigger. I hope you're ready to tell your family members in Chinese. All right, let's see. Well, first person is showing up right now. This is Peppa's what? Daddy. So how to say daddy in Chinese? Yes, it's 爸爸,爸爸,爸爸 is your daddy. 爸爸,爸爸,爸爸. Okay, I hope you're learning well. Now let's see who will be the second person to review. Ooh, it's Peppa's mommy. Now how do you say mommy in Chinese? Mama. Yes, mama. Mama, mama, mama. Very good. Now let's see who's coming next. Ooh, that is George. It's Peppa's younger brother. Now how do you say younger brother in Chinese? Yes, it's 弟弟,弟弟,弟弟. So if you have younger brother, you have to call him 弟弟. Now the last person is George's sister, right? It's Peppa. So how do you say older sister in Chinese again? Is 姐姐,姐姐,姐姐. So 姐姐 refer to older sister. So if you have any older sister, you should call her 姐姐,姐姐,姐姐. Okay, I hope you learn well for today's lessons. And I'm sure that you did a good job. So we want to thank you for joining us today. And please like us and share our video. We love to hear from you. And it's always time to say goodbye in the end of our section. Last time you learned how to say goodbye in Chinese, right? And every time I say goodbye to you in Chinese. So let's say goodbye to each other in Chinese. Ready? 再见,再见,再见.